Hey guys, Craig here, Product Manager at Broker Engine. I wanted to walk you through how we would manage collecting documents inside of Broker Engine. And inside of Broker Engine, we would use Finance Vault. And Finance Vault is fully integrated inside of Broker Engine. So, and the purpose of Finance Vault is to allow you to get the documents you need from your client, avoiding the drip feeding. So if you think about it, you send an email out to a client with a list of 5 or 7 or 10 documents you need and really good instructions, and they'll drip feed those documents to you. They'll go, here's my 2 payslips just waiting on my council rates notice or something like that. The advantage of doing it inside of a client portal, such as Finance Vault, is that the client can see everything they need, and it's really the onus is on them to provide that. And once they provide all of that, you can then jump in there and approve it. So I want to show you how it works inside of Broker Engine. So inside of Broker Engine, you just open up the portal. So I'm doing a first-time customer. So I've got a first-time customer or a client. And what you'll find on the left-hand side is all of your templates. So you can sort of template your requests. And as you'll see in our practice, we have I have a Craig stack, I have an expat stack, I have different VOI forms and things like that. My main go-to is my Craig stack, right? And this is one I use, and I have in there, for example, the basic stuff you normally need. But you can set up your own stacks to have requirements for tax returns, self-employed documents, things like that. So I've set up the request. These are the things I'm going to want from my client, ID, so on and so forth. I won't go into too much detail there, but effectively I can also add in a random doc if I want to, or come back over here and I know that I'm going to need a gift letter. So I've got a gift letter here, for example, that has a gift letter template attached, for example. I can change the order. So effectively I can very easily build the requirements or the documents I need from this client. I'm going to publish that to this client. Now, in this case, I forgot to input, I'm going to publish that to the client. I want to show, so the client now gets an email with a list of documents they need. I'm going to click on and I'll show you what that looks like from the client side. So from the client side, it looks like this. Now, if they're on their phone, it's fully responsive. If they're on their desktop or iPad, it'll look like this. And the client would literally come through and go, okay, I need driver's license, passport. They can either drag and drop into here, or they can sort of click to upload like so. And what they'll do is they'll come down, they'll go upload, they'll do download the gift letter and then re-upload it, and it'll convert it to PDF for them. If they're on their phone, it's fully responsive. So they can open up on their iPhone, they can click on the upload link and it'll take a photo, for example, and they scroll through, they can take a photo, write comments. And as they write comments, it's going to show up on your portal in real time, and you can be notified in real time if you need to, if you want that sort of level of control. But as you can see here, it's just starting to upload in real time that there's a new comment there from the client. Now, what's going to happen, the advantage of that is the client just provides everything that you need, generally speaking, without drip feeding them to you. And as they provide it, you can quickly sort of jump here and go, okay, that's provided, approved, great. Now you know it's approved. Payslips, you can open them up inside the portal, you scroll through them, and then again, mark it as approved. If you get to an item that's rejected, you go, hey, this one's been rejected. Hey, John, can you help me out on a more recent one, or something like that? And you can sort of notify the client or not. It's kind of up to you, whether you notify them on each individual one or just notify them at the end, and they'll get in, and then they jump in here and they'll read the comments themselves. And how that looks like to the client is when they're on their side of the portal, like so, they can see, just refresh it. They can see all the items that are due still. PAYG has been rejected with the comment, so I can see what the comment was from Craig, the broker. I can see the due later items, but I also can see what's been approved. So the client can keep track of it. So I normally, when I see someone upload a document, I go in there and check it, and I approve it straight away. So it shrinks the list for the client. And this provides a great client experience because they know what they need. They can see what's been uploaded. And for the broker and the team side, again, they've got a full list of, it's been checked off on, or they're waiting on this, or any comments, and so on. And you can use this, for example, to ask simple questions like, hey, what's that deduction on your payslip, or what's this debit on your bank statement, or something like that. So that works really well. Obviously, once it's all approved, you can then do a bulk download. There's also some options here to prepare sort of submission advices and things like that will combine them all together into one PDF to make it easy for you to submit to it. But there's one feature inside of Broker Engine, the client portal, and the ultimate aim of the client portal is to, 1, provide a great client experience, 2, to make it easy for the broker and team and the client to collaborate around what documents are still remaining, and 3, just to stop you having to trawl through your back emails to find where they sent the payslip, where you're up to, what was the answer to that question. It'll make your life a lot easier. And again, you can use this for missing information requests, due later requests, and so on. Craig Vaughan here, product manager at Broker Engine. Anything tweaks your interest there, jump onto a demo at brokerengine.com.au.